Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to automate deal flow in Hubspot using workflows to streamline your processes and reduce manual work. To get started, go to the Automation tab in your Hubspot account and click on Workflows. From there, select Create Workflow. You'll have the option to start from scratch, use a template, or build one with AI assistance. If you choose the AI option, you can describe what you want to achieve and let HubSpot generate a workflow for you. If you prefer full control, select Start from Scratch. If you decide to build from scratch, the first step is to set your enrollment trigger. You can choose triggers such as record creation, deal updates, data value changes, or other conditions. For this example, select Form Submission. You can search for a specific form or apply the trigger to any form submission. You may also refine the trigger by adding criteria as needed. Once your trigger is set, click to add an action. From here, you can choose actions like creating a record, creating a task, updating properties, or sending an email. Continue adding actions to build out your process, for example, creating tasks for follow-ups, sending automated emails, or moving deals through your pipeline. After configuring all your steps, review your workflow and save it.